In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Colossyan Studio. By the end, you'll feel comfortable getting into your workspace and making confident choices about avatars, elements, media, text, and scripts, all without feeling overwhelmed. First, log into Colossyan. Open your browser, head to the Colossyan website, and sign in with your account. For the smoothest experience, use an up-to-date browser and a reliable internet connection. If you're returning after a break, it's a good idea to refresh the page once you're signed in to make sure everything loads cleanly. Once you're in, open or create a project. If you already have something in progress, choose it from your list so you can pick up where you left off. If you're starting fresh, create a new project and give it a name that clearly describes your goal. Descriptive names make it easier to stay organized as you build out your content. This will open the studio, the central place where your ideas come to life. Take a moment to look around. You'll see your canvas where the visual composition takes shape, and panels for adding and adjusting what appears on screen. The layout is designed to be intuitive, so even if it's your first time, you'll quickly find your way. Here you'll be able to customize your avatar. Choose the avatar that best matches your brand or message, then adjust details like clothing style, framing, and on-screen position. You can fine-tune size and placement so the avatar complements your visuals rather than crowding them. If your project involves narration, align the avatar's delivery with the tone you want: professional, friendly, or educational. Keeping your avatar consistent across scenes helps build a cohesive feel. Next, add elements to enrich your story. Elements can include shapes, icons, and backgrounds that guide the viewer's eye and reinforce key points. Keep your layout clean and purposeful. Spacing and alignment go a long way toward a polished result. Bring in media to add depth. You can use images or video clips that support your message. High-resolution visuals and clear audio make a noticeable difference. Arrange them on the canvas so they don't compete with your avatar, and ensure the most important content remains in focus. Add text to highlight headlines, labels, and takeaways. Short, readable lines work best on screen. Choose fonts and colors that are easy to read and consistent throughout your project. Finally, write or paste your script. Keep sentences clear and conversational, and break long paragraphs into smaller chunks for natural pacing. Read it aloud once to check flow and emphasis. With your login complete, your project open, and the studio ready, you now have everything you need to customize avatars, add elements, include media, place text, and craft great